Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix 401 error code in Chrome. So here's what you're going to do. You open a new tab, go to three dots, go to settings, click on privacy and security. You want to go to third-party cookies, click see all site data permissions. And here you type in the site that you have problems with. And let's say Facebook. And you want to click on delete. And you delete the file data or cookies for that site, and then you want to open that site. And if it still doesn't load, you can try pressing Ctrl plus F5, and it will deeply reset the site and then relaunch it, and hopefully that fixes it. Also, you can try is click on About Chrome, and then you can update to the latest version. Also, what you can do is go to your extensions and then disable whatever the extension you have or you installed latest, or like all of them, and then see if the site loads when you disable them. If you disable them and it works, it's usually then the ad blocker or something is blocking the site. So yeah, that's it for this video. That's how you fix 401 error code. The page isn't working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.